Hey, this is Gina Duke with Churchtown Ministries. Thank you for tuning in to GinaDuke.com. We've been talking about hearing God's voice, and we're going to transition into our faith and follow through to be obedient to what God has spoken to us. And so we're going to do a case study on Abraham. But before we get on to Abraham, I want to back up one chapter and talk to you about Genesis 11. There's a small account at the end of Genesis 11 about Abraham's father, Terah. Actually, Terah and his family were on their way to Canaan. That is the same land that God was leading Abraham to. But it says when they got to Haran that they settled. And I think there's an important note in that sometimes God's calling us to something and we decide to settle. I have an important question. I just wonder, could it be possible that God had spoke the same thing to Abraham's father Terah, that he wanted to take him on that same journey? And at some point, Terah just settled. And so I want us to think about that. We know that God has great plans for us. We know that from Jeremiah 29:11. And so I'm hoping that you will be steadfast and faithful in your journey to faith and follow through. Thank you.